Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, let's begin with some customizations. So let's open the list of apps and go to the settings. Here let's choose sound and here we've got Do Not Disturb preferences, so simply click on this. As you can see, here we've got some options to customize. Let's click on the first one. As you can see, it is the priority, so your device will allow some notifications from events, messages. As you can see, none, but you can tap on it and choose from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts only, or none. I will leave it contacts only. Let's get back. Here we've got some block visual disturbances. As you can see, you can block it when the screen is off or on. I will leave it with on, off. Here we've got some automatic rules, so the Do Not Disturb mode will be activated at the weekends, weeknights, events, or this is the one you can add manually. I will show you. Let's pick, for example, time rule. It doesn't matter. Let's name it. And here, as you can see, you can manually choose the days, the start time and end time, the preferences, and so on. Let me turn it off because I don't want to apply it. If you want to remove it, simply click on this delete icon and click on delete. So that's all. This is how to customize the Do Not Disturb preferences. And what's more, after hold that customization, if you really want to have much faster access to this feature, simply unroll the top bar and let's find the Do Not Disturb. After tapping on this, as you can see, the alarms will be only accepted. You can, of course, open more settings. You can choose, for example, total silence, and you can set it until you turn it off manually, or, for example, for 1 hour or 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Click on done. And that's all. This is how to set, customize and activate Do Not Disturb mode in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.